Good morning to each one of you. Hope so you are enjoying these digital classes nowadays at home. Dear students, today I am going to clear to you about the syllabus of chemistry in class plus 1. So dear students, as you know that it's very important to understand the syllabus before going to start the course. So let's start the presentation with the help of this video. So this is digital classes syllabus of chemistry prescribed by NCERT class plus 1 science. Syllabus of chemistry plus 1. So dear students, we will cover all these points in this video. So first is about the introduction, second is textbooks link with class 10, course structure of theory and course structure of the practical. We will discuss about question paper pattern and sample paper also. So let's start with the introduction. In class 11th you will study the concept of fundamental chemistry. Yes, this should be very much clear to you. This is the first step in the world of science, in the journey of science. The plus 1 class is like a nursery class. So of everything whatever you are going to study in this year, please try to clear your ways, try to make your concept. Once the concept is built, then you will not face the problem. Okay, so while studying, try to find application of topic that will help you in understanding the topic better, as you could relate it to physical world. Yes, whatever you are going to teach, going to study, and whatever we are going to teach, dear student, it is my humble request to you, please listen very carefully, try to understand all the points, and ask as many as question you can ask. But to study the science, I have seen so many people, they are talking about this science is difficult subject. To study this science we need a temperament, we need to do hard work. Yes, I do agree, but to study science, it's really a fun. That student who is taking science in a funny way or in a lighter way, he is becoming more successful in this field. So please, whatever you are going to study in the classroom, go out, try to explore it, and try to find out what is in the society, what is in our surrounding, and try to apply it in the practical life. Then only you can understand whatever you are going to study. Okay, so whenever you are going to study any topic, so you try to understand and try to relate the topic in the physical world. So 11th can be considered the advanced class of 9th. This is also very important. You don't think you are going to start a new course. Okay, already we have done so many topics in 9th and 10th class. So I am sure all those maximum topics from 9th and 10th will come in 11th also. You just need to relate it. Okay, so you will study in depth about the concept which you have studied in 9th and 10th class. So there are some links with the class 9th and 10th topic with 11th class. So let's see. From class 9th, in class 9th we studied mole concept. Yes, I am sure you still remember the mole concept. I think you know about the mole concept. Chemical reaction, balancing, chemical equation, these two topic will come again in the 11th class basic concept of chemistry chapter. Atom and molecule will come in structure of atom. Periodic classification is same, periodic in properties. Carbon and its compound chapter will come in form of hydrocarbon. Ionic compound, ionic and covalent compound, it will become in chemical bonding and molecular structure. Okay, so let's talk about the textbooks. Prescribed book, which is NCERT has prescribed that you have to buy. Two books are there, part 1 and part 2, both the books you need to buy. With this, in addition, you need to buy NCERT exemplar also, as I have seen in future when you are going to compete in JEE and these NEET exam, maximum questions that in those exam the question is coming, that is coming from NCERT exemplar. So it is my suggestion also to buy some reference books also with you. So Pradeep Companion is very good book, and you can buy it and you can study thoroughly with the help of this book also. Oh yes, there are two parts in class plus 1 chemistry. Part 1 which carry unit 1 to unit 7, and part 2 which carry unit 8 to unit 14. Okay, so now let's see the examination syllabus of chemistry. So yes, two type of exams will be there. First theory, then practical. Theory will come of 60 marks, practical will come of 25 marks, internal assessment is 15 marks, total marks 100 marks. You know very well about this because it is same like 10th. So now let's talk about course structure in detail. Basic concept of chemistry. This is the first chapter. It will carry 3 marks weightage in exam. Structure of atom 5 marks. Classification of element and periodicity in property 3 marks. Chemical bonding and molecule structure 5 marks. State of matter, gases and liquid, it is 4 marks. Thermodynamic will come of 5 marks. Equilibrium will come of 5 marks. This is about first book. Now from second book, redox reaction will come 3 marks, hydrogen will come of 3 marks, S block elements will come of 5 marks, as some P block elements 6 marks, organic chemistry 5 marks, hydrocarbon 6, environment chemistry 2. It is of all about the second book. The total first book will come of 30 marks, second book will come of 30 marks, total 60 marks. Okay, so let me tell you here about the parts of chemistry also. You should know about there are 3 parts of chemistry: physical chemistry, organic chemistry and inorganic chemistry. So these things I will tell you when those chapters will start. So course structure of practical. Basically 3 different types of practical we need to do. Volumetric analysis of 8 marks, salt analysis 6 marks, content based experiment 3 marks. Project work will come of 4 marks and class record and viva will 4 marks. I am pretty sure that already we have done practical last year also, so you know very well about the practicals. But once the school will be regular, normal, then I will let you know about the detail. Okay, so investigative project is the introduction. First time you are going to make your investigative project. It is very excited work. So I hope so you will look very excited. You will be very much excited when we are going to start this work. So you can see here so many investigative project ideas has given, so you have to choose any one and you need to prepare investigative project on that topic. This we will discuss later on. So that's all for today. Hope so every point that is related to this syllabus is clear to you now. And formally I'm going to start your syllabus now from Monday, as my first video was related to introduction of system, second video was related to your career, what after 10th, this third video was related to syllabus. So this is enough information for you. Now we are going to start the chemistry formally with chapter 1.